Welcome back to other video. Today we will talk about benefits for drinking milk every day. If you drink 1 glass of milk every day, your body will experience several benefits. Here are some of the benefits of drinking milk. 1. Calcium. Milk is an excellent source of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. Regular consumption of milk helps in maintaining good bone health and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. 2. Protein. Milk contains high-quality protein, which is important for muscle growth and repair. It is especially beneficial for individuals involved in physical activities or exercise. 3. Vitamins and minerals. Milk is a rich source of various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, vitamin B12, vitamin B2, riboflavin, phosphorus, and potassium. These nutrients support overall health and play a vital role in various bodily functions. 4. Hydration. Milk is composed mostly of water, making it an effective hydrating beverage. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining optimal bodily functions and overall well-being. 5. Weight management. Consuming milk, particularly low-fat or skim milk, can support weight management efforts. The high protein content in milk helps increase satiety, keeping you fuller for longer periods and reducing the likelihood of overeating. 6. Healthy skin. The vitamins and minerals present in milk, such as vitamin A and antioxidants, contribute to maintaining healthy skin. Milk can hydrate and nourish the skin, promoting a clear and youthful complexion. 7. Dental health. The calcium and phosphorus in milk are essential for dental health. These minerals help in remineralizing tooth enamel, preventing tooth decay and promoting strong teeth. 8. Promotes sleep. Milk contains tryptophan, an essential amino acid that aids in the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates sleep and moods. Consuming milk before bed may promote better sleep and relaxation. However, it is important to note that individual reactions to milk can vary, and some people may be intolerant or allergic to lactose or have other dietary restrictions. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to determine what is suitable for your specific dietary needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the next video.